Dear friends, this video is Chapter 1 of Basic Skill of TIPPER. Useful to construction professional and technicians working in construction industry. Here we will discuss about A. Introduction to TIPPER. B. Overview to TIPPER vehicles and their types. C. Components and systems of a TIPPER. D. Benefits of TIPPER. E. Safety considerations and best practices of TIPPER. We'll now begin discussing a different topic. A. Introduction to TIPPER. A tipper, also known as a dump truck or dumper truck, is a specialized type of vehicle commonly used in construction, mining, and other industries for transporting and unloading materials such as soil, gravel, sand, rocks, and construction debris. The key feature that sets a tipper apart from other trucks is its ability to tilt or dump its cargo at an inclined angle to unload it quickly and efficiently. Here's an introduction to some of the key aspects of a tipper. 1. Design and construction. 1A. Tippers typically have an open-top cargo bed that can be raised or tilted at the rear end. 1B. The cargo bed is supported by hydraulic cylinders or other mechanisms that facilitate the tipping action. 1C. They are available in various sizes and capacities to suit different applications. 3. Uses and applications. 3A. Tippers are used for transporting various materials at construction sites, mining operations, quarries, and waste management facilities. 3B. They are crucial for moving bulk materials quickly and efficiently, especially in projects that require frequent loading and unloading. 4. Operation. 4A. The tipping mechanism is controlled by the operator using hydraulics or other mechanisms. 4B. The cargo bed can be raised to allow for loading and then tilted backward to discharge the load. 4C. The operator must ensure that the load is distributed evenly to prevent instability during tipping. 5. Safety considerations. 5A. Operating a tipper requires specific training due to the potential risks involved, including load instability, rollovers, and accidents during tipping. 5B. Load securing is essential to prevent spillage and ensure road safety. 5C. Regular maintenance and inspections are critical to keep the vehicle in safe working condition. 6. Regulations and compliance. 6A. Tippers must adhere to safety and weight regulations imposed by local and national authorities. 6B. Operators often need the appropriate licenses and certifications to operate tippers legally. Tippers play a vital role in the construction and transportation industries, as they enable the efficient movement and delivery of materials needed for various projects. Proper training and maintenance are essential to ensure safe and effective tipper operations. B. Overview to tipper vehicles and their types. Tipper vehicles, also known as dump trucks or dumper trucks, are specialized vehicles designed for the transportation and unloading of materials, typically in bulk quantities. They are widely used in construction, mining, agriculture, waste management, and various other industries. Here's an overview of tipper vehicles and their main types. 1. Standard dump truck. Design. Standard dump trucks feature a single, open-top cargo bed that is hinged at the rear. The cargo bed can be raised and tilted backward to unload its contents. Common applications. These are versatile vehicles used in construction projects, road maintenance, and general transportation of materials like gravel, sand, dirt, and debris. 2. Articulated dump truck, ADT. Design. Articulated dump trucks have an articulated joint between the cab and the cargo bed, allowing for better maneuverability on rough terrain. The cargo bed can also tilt to unload. Common applications. ADTs are often used in off-road and mining environments where stability and mobility on uneven terrain are crucial. 3. Side dump truck. Design. Instead of tilting backward, side dump trucks have a unique design that allows them to discharge their load to the side. They typically have a hydraulic lifting mechanism on one side of the cargo bed. Common applications. Side dump trucks are used for applications where a wide, even spread of material is required, such as road construction and agricultural work. 4. Rigid dump truck. Design. Rigid dump trucks are massive, heavy-duty vehicles used primarily in large-scale mining and construction projects. They have a rigid frame and a high-capacity cargo bed that can tilt for unloading. Common applications. These trucks are designed to handle extremely large payloads and are commonly found in open-pit mining operations. 5. Semi-trailer and dump truck. Design. These tipper trucks consist of a tractor unit, front, and a separate trailer with an open-top cargo bed that tilts for unloading. Common applications. Semi-trailer and dump trucks are used in long-haul transportation of bulk materials, often for longer distances. 6. Super dump truck. Design. Super dump trucks are equipped with a trailing axle that can be raised when not needed, allowing for increased payload capacity without sacrificing maneuverability. Common applications. They are used in situations where weight regulations limit the payload of standard dump trucks. 7. Transfer dump truck. Design. Transfer dump trucks have multiple separate trailers that can be uncoupled and left at different locations, allowing for efficient transportation and unloading of materials. Common applications. These trucks are useful for jobs where materials need to be delivered to multiple locations. Each type of tipper vehicle has its own advantages and is suited to specific applications based on factors such as terrain, payload capacity, maneuverability, and the nature of the materials being transported. Proper training, maintenance, and adherence to safety regulations are essential for the safe and efficient operation of tipper vehicles. C. Components and systems of a tipper. A tipper vehicle, also known as a dump truck or dumper truck, consists of various components and systems that work together to facilitate the transportation and unloading of materials. Here are the key components and systems of a typical tipper. 1. Chassis. The chassis serves as the main structural framework of the tipper vehicle, supporting all other components. It includes the frame rails, suspension system, and axles. 2. Engine. The engine provides the power needed to drive the tipper. It is usually a diesel engine due to its high torque output, which is essential for heavy hauling. 3. Transmission. The transmission system controls the power from the engine and transfers it to the wheels, allowing the driver to control speed and direction. 4. Cargo bed. The cargo bed is the load-carrying component of the tipper. It is typically made of steel and can be raised and tilted for unloading. The cargo bed may have extensions or sideboards for carrying larger loads. 5. Hydraulic system. The hydraulic system is crucial for raising and tilting the cargo bed. It consists of hydraulic cylinders, hoses, and a pump. When activated, the hydraulic system provides the force needed to lift and tip the cargo bed. 6. Control mechanisms. The driver controls various functions of the tipper through control mechanisms in the cab. These include the controls for raising, lowering, and tilting the cargo bed. 7. Suspension system. The suspension system includes components like springs, shock absorbers, and axles that provide stability and ride comfort. It is essential for maintaining control when the truck is loaded and for absorbing shocks from uneven terrain. 8. Braking system. The braking system is critical for safety. It includes hydraulic brakes that operate on both the truck's wheels and the trailer, if applicable. Air brakes are common in larger tippers. 9. Steering system. The steering system allows the driver to control the direction of the tipper. It may be hydraulic or electric power assisted, depending on the size and design of the truck. 10. Electrical system. The electrical system includes lighting, indicators, horns, and the vehicle's electrical controls. It ensures that the truck is visible and operates safely in various conditions. 11. Exhaust system. The exhaust system is responsible for directing exhaust gases from the engine away from the vehicle and into the atmosphere while minimizing emissions. 12. Tipping mechanism. The tipping mechanism is responsible for raising and lowering the cargo bed. It can vary in complexity depending on the type and size of the tipper. Common tipping mechanisms include scissor lifts, telescopic cylinders, and multi-stage hydraulic systems. 13. Safety systems. Many tippers are equipped with safety systems such as backup cameras, blind spot detection, and stability control systems to enhance driver safety and prevent accidents. 14. Load securing equipment. Tippers often have equipment for securing the load, including tie-down points, straps, or chains to prevent load shifting during transport. 15. Tires and wheels. Proper tires and wheels are essential for carrying heavy loads safely. Tippers may have dual wheels on the rear axles to distribute weight effectively. 16. Cab. The driver's cab contains the controls, instrument panel, seating, and safety features necessary for the driver to operate the tipper comfortably and safely. 17. Fuel and fluid tanks. Tippers have fuel tanks for diesel and may also have tanks for hydraulic fluid, engine coolant, and other essential fluids. 18. Exterior features. These include mirrors, fenders, and guards designed to improve visibility and protect the vehicle. Proper maintenance and regular inspections of these components and systems are essential to ensure the safe and efficient operation of a tipper vehicle. Additionally, adherence to safety regulations and training for operators are critical to prevent accidents and ensure the well-being of personnel. D. Benefits of tipper. Tipper vehicles, also known as dump trucks or dumper trucks, offer several benefits across various industries and applications due to their specialized design and functionality. Here are some of the key benefits of using tipper trucks. 1. Efficient material handling. Tippers are designed for efficient transportation and unloading of bulk materials such as soil, gravel, sand, rocks, and construction debris. They can quickly load, transport, and unload large quantities of materials, reducing the time and labor required for manual handling. 2. Versatility. Tippers are versatile and can be adapted for a wide range of applications. They come in various sizes and configurations, including standard dump trucks, articulated dump trucks, and side dump trucks, allowing them to meet specific job requirements. 3. High payload capacity. Tippers are capable of carrying heavy loads, making them ideal for industries that require the transportation of large volumes of materials. Their payload capacity varies depending on the type and size of the tipper. 4. Reduced manual labor. The use of tipper trucks significantly reduces the need for manual labor in loading and unloading materials. This not only saves time but also reduces the risk of injuries and worker fatigue. 5. Time and cost savings. Tippers enable efficient material transport, reducing project completion times and overall costs. They minimize the number of trips required to transport materials, which can result in fuel savings and increased productivity. 6. Off-road capability. Many tippers are designed for off-road use, making them suitable for construction sites, mining operations, and other rough terrains where regular vehicles may struggle to navigate. 7. Load control. Operators have control over the tipping mechanism, allowing for precise control of the unloading process. This feature is particularly useful when materials need to be deposited at specific locations. 8. Safety. Tippers are often equipped with safety features and systems to prevent accidents, such as rollover protection, backup cameras, and load securing mechanisms. Proper training for operators enhances safety further. 9. Environmental considerations. Tippers can be designed to meet environmental standards by using more efficient engines and emission control systems. They can also be adapted for alternative fuels, contributing to sustainability efforts. 10. Reduced material spillage. Properly loaded and operated tippers can minimize material spillage during transport, reducing waste and preventing debris from littering roadways. 11. Enhanced productivity. Tippers enable a more streamlined workflow, leading to increased project productivity. They help construction and mining operations meet tight deadlines and project milestones. 12. Reliability and durability. Tippers are built to withstand harsh working conditions. Their robust construction and heavy-duty components make them durable and reliable machines for heavy industry use. 13. Customization options. Tippers can be customized to suit specific job requirements, including the addition of accessories like tarps, tailgate systems, and specialized cargo beds. 14. Regulatory compliance. Many industries have regulations regarding the transportation of materials. Tippers are often designed to meet these regulations, ensuring legal compliance during operations. Overall, the use of tipper trucks can lead to improved efficiency, cost savings, and enhanced safety in industries that rely on the transportation and unloading of bulk materials. Proper maintenance and responsible operation of tippers are essential to maximize their benefits. Safety considerations and best practices of tipper. Safety is of paramount importance when operating tipper vehicles, dump trucks or dumper trucks, due to their size, capacity, and the nature of the materials they transport. Here are essential safety considerations and best practices for operating tipper trucks. 1. Operator training and certification. 2A. Ensure that tipper operators receive proper training and are certified to operate these vehicles. 2B. Training should cover safe operation, load securing, emergency procedures, and adherence to local regulations. 2. Pre-trip inspection. 2A. Conduct a thorough pre-trip inspection of the tipper vehicle before each use to identify any mechanical issues or safety concerns. 2B. Check the brakes, tires, lights, hydraulic system, and other critical components. 3. Load securing. 3A. Properly secure the load with appropriate restraints, such as chains, straps, or tarps, to prevent load shifting during transit. 3B. Ensure that the load is evenly distributed and does not exceed the truck's weight capacity. 4. Safe loading and unloading. 4A. Follow safe loading and unloading procedures to prevent accidents and injuries. 4B. Use designated loading areas and ensure the ground is stable and level during unloading. 5. Avoid overloading. 5A. Strictly adhere to weight limits specified by local regulations to prevent overloading, which can compromise vehicle stability and safety. 6. Slow and steady operation. 6A. Drive at safe speeds and maintain a safe following distance from other vehicles. 6B. Avoid sudden maneuvers and sharp turns, especially when the tipper is loaded. 7. Rollover prevention. 7A. Be cautious when operating on uneven terrain or steep slopes, as tippers are susceptible to rollovers. 7B. Avoid overloading one side of the cargo bed, which can cause imbalance. 8. Use of safety gear. 8A. Ensure that operators wear appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, including high-visibility clothing, hard hats, safety boots, and gloves. 8B. Seatbelts should always be worn when driving. 9. Emergency equipment. 9A. Carry essential emergency equipment, such as fire extinguishers, first aid kits, warning triangles, and safety cones, in the tipper. 10. Avoid overhead obstacles. 10A. Be aware of overhead obstacles, such as power lines, trees, and bridges, to prevent collisions when tipping the cargo bed. 11. Regular maintenance. 11A. Implement a strict maintenance schedule to keep the tipper vehicle in optimal condition. 11B. Address any mechanical issues promptly to prevent breakdowns on the road. 12. Environmental considerations. 12A. Be mindful of environmental regulations, especially when transporting materials that could be hazardous or cause pollution. 12B. Implement spill containment measures if necessary. 13. Weather conditions. 13A. Exercise caution in adverse weather conditions, such as rain, snow, or ice, as road surfaces may become slippery and reduce traction. 13B. Adjust driving speeds and follow safe driving practices accordingly. 14. Communication and spotter use. 14A. Maintain clear communication with spotters or coworkers when operating in tight spaces or during complex maneuvers. 14b. Spotters can help ensure safe operation, especially when visibility is limited. 15. Operator fatigue. 15a. Encourage operators to take regular breaks and avoid extended periods of driving to prevent fatigue-related accidents. 16. Post-trip inspection. 16a. After each trip, conduct a post-trip inspection to check for any damage or issues that may have arisen during the journey. 17. Emergency response plan. 17a. Develop and communicate an emergency response plan that includes procedures for accidents, spills, and vehicle breakdowns. By adhering to these safety considerations and best practices, operators can minimize risks, prevent accidents, and ensure the safe operation of tipper vehicles. Additionally, ongoing training and a safety-conscious mindset are crucial for maintaining a culture of safety within the organization. Friends, we have explained in brief about overview to tipper vehicles and their types, components, and systems of a tipper, benefits of tipper, safety considerations, and best practices of tipper. We request all to mention your view and requirement in comments section of YouTube video. Also like and share to your friend. Also subscribe our YouTube channel Infomechanizer. This is 100% free.